My name is Zimo from Urban High. My research topic is my innovative mobile application that analyzes and evaluates the relationship between the country and or areas based on Twitter data. Country relationship is not just another app, it is a powerful tool that utilizes cutting-edge natural language processing (NLP) techniques to analyze sentiment expressed on Twitter. This app provides real-time update on international relationships and offers valuable insight into global affairs. Whether you are a student, researcher, diplomat, and a business leader, country relationship will be your guide to understand the in today's interconnected world, understand the relationship between countries and monitoring public sentiment is crucial. My app seeks to give users a comprehensive understanding of international relations and the sentiment analysis across nations. Given today's increasingly globalized world, understanding international relationship and the sentiment analysis across nations is of ever increasing importance. This app caters for this need by utilizing Twitter data and providing real-time update of latest development in country relationships using natural language processing techniques that extract keyword and analyze sentiment around specific nations, allowing users to gain greater insight into political, economic, and social dynamic that drive international relationship. That the significance of this app lies in its ability to keep individual and organization informed on global affairs, cross-culture communication, and diplomatic ties. No matter who you are, student, researcher, diplomat, or business leader, this app provides vital data that aid the decision making and understand the complexity of geopolitics. Developing this app was not without its challenge. One of the primary challenges we encountered was ensuring the credibility and the reliability of the Twitter data used for sentiment analysis. Social media is known for its abundance of fake news and biased opinions, making data verification essential. To address this challenge, we have implemented a robust data verification system. The system uses advanced algorithm to verify the credibility and reliability of data sources, particularly Twitter account and news article. Additionally, we have integrated a feedback machine that allows users to validate or flag sentiment analysis result, helping us improve the app's accuracy over time. Another challenge we faced was accurately analyzing sentiment across different language and culture contexts, as language and culture analysis can significantly impact sentiment analysis. This was a crucial aspect to address. To overcome this challenge of sentiment analysis across language, we have implemented a state-of-the-art language detection algorithm. This algorithm can identify the language of each tweet or post, enabling more accurate sentiment analysis. Additionally, we could also develop sentiment dictionaries that take culture nuances and the context into account, further enhancing the accuracy of our analysis. At the heart of the country relationship app lies the power of natural language processing, NLP. NLP is one of the most important tools I use to build my app. NLP is a branch of artificial intelligence that focuses on the interaction between the computer and the human language. It enables computers to understand, interact, and analyze human language in a way that allows for more meaningful interaction with users. NLP is crucial in today's world because of the vast amount of unstructured data generated through text, conversation, social media, and more. It plays a vital role in various applications, including chatbot, language translation, sentiment analysis, and information retrieval. NLP allows the country relationship app to process and analyze the tweets to gain valuable insight into public sentiment toward different nations. By employing NLP techniques, the app can extract keyword, categorize tweet based on a specific topic or themes. The context statement analysis, this capability enhances the app's ability to provide a comprehensive understanding of the financial and the social connection between different nations, contributing to a deeper understanding of international relations and the global affairs. This is my demo of the country relationship app. First, you select two countries you want to test. The app will collect the news on Twitter and analyze the sentiment, giving you a reading of the relationship between the selected countries. As with any innovative app, we can continue looking for ways to enhance country relationship and provide an even more robust user experience. Here are some of the exciting features and the improvement that we plan to implement in the future. Expanding data sources. We will incorporate data from other social media platform and the news sources to complement the Twitter data, providing a more comprehensive analysis. Real-time update. Enhance the app to provide a real-time update on sentiment trend and the chat changes in country relations, enabling users to stay informed on the latest development. User interaction and the customization. We plan to add interactive features that allows users to customize their sentiment analysis preference. Users can input a specific keyword or topic of interest, receiving tailored sentiment report. User engagement and the feedback are the lifeline of any successful app. As country relationship, we are committed to fostering a strong and engaged user community. Here are some strategies I plan to implement and encourage user engagement and gather valuable feedback. In-app feedback mechanism. We have integrated an in-app feedback mechanism and that allows users to share their opinions, suggestions, and the report issue directly from the app. This real-time feedback loop helps us continuously improve the app based on the user input. Social media presence. We mention a strong presence on social media platform, particularly Twitter, where we interact with users, share updates, and respond to queries or comment. Our social media presence foster a sense of community among users, encouraging discussion about international relations and the app's features. The country relationship app cater a wide range of individual and organization interests in international relations and the global affairs. Researchers and academies. Researchers can utilize app sentiment analysis data to study public sentiment toward different countries, enabling analysis of pattern in international relationships. Student and educator. Students studying international relations and the geopolitics can use this app as available resources to supplement their learning and gain a better understanding of global affairs. Experiment 1. In this experiment, I investigated the accuracy of the sentiment calculator used in the country relationship app. The goal was to validate the effectiveness of the sentiment analysis in determining the sentiment of Twitter posts toward a specific nation. My method is that I collected a dataset of Twitter posts containing keywords related to positive and negative sentiment. The dataset included 100-word excerpts from tweets, each labeled with either a positive or negative sentiment based on the presence of sentiment-specific keyword. I use a support vector machine SVM model for sentiment analysis, which is a widely used machine learning for text classification task. The sentiment calculator was trained on this labeled data set to identify and classify sentiment in new dataset. The result is that the sentiment calculator demonstrated remarkable accuracy with a small margin of error. Experiment 2. In this experiment, I developed into the sentimentally of nation relationship between influential countries such as the US, China, Russia, Canada, Ukraine, and more. The object was to understand the sentiment trend between this nation over 30-day period. My message is that I collected Twitter data related to the relationship between the selected country over a span of 30 days. The sentiment analysis was performed on this tweet to determine the overall sentimentally of each nation's relationship. The sentiment scores were measured on a scale from -1 to 1. In conclusion, the country relationship app represents a new era in understanding international relations and the sentiment analysis. With its advanced technology, real-time update, and a commitment to user engagement, it stands poised to become an indispensable resource for individual and organization interested in international relations and cross-cultural communication. Okay, thank you for watching.